Hidden for 30 long years inside this forgotten barn, a 1967 Mustang Fastback that time almost erased, but what if it's still alive underneath all this rust? In the quiet countryside of America, hidden behind decades of dust and silence, sat a forgotten legend. This 1967 Mustang Fastback wasn't just a car, it was a piece of history. But time hadn't been kind. For over 30 years, it sat untouched. Rain, heat, cold, slowly eating away at what once was a symbol of power and freedom. Most people would walk right past it, seeing nothing more than rust and decay. But for one man, this wasn't the end of a story. This was just the beginning. Up close, the reality was even harsher. The paint had completely faded. Rust had taken over nearly every panel. The tires were flat, dry, lifeless. Even the glass, cracked and broken, told a story of neglect. It looked beyond saving, like something no one would ever dare to fix. But sometimes, the worst condition hides the greatest potential. And beneath all that damage, the soul of this Mustang was still alive. The first step wasn't rebuilding. It was revealing. As water blasted across the surface, years of dirt began to wash away. Slowly, something incredible started to appear. Original body lines, classic curves, a design that once ruled American roads. It was like watching history come back to life, one layer at a time. And with every second, the vision became clearer. This car was worth saving. Then came the hardest decision, to take it all apart. Every bolt removed, every part carefully labeled. The Mustang was stripped down to its bare shell. It looked worse than ever before, but this step was necessary, because true restoration means rebuilding from the ground up. No shortcuts, no compromises, just pure dedication. This is where the real work began. Rust was cut out piece by piece, damaged metal replaced with fresh steel. Sparks flew across the workshop as new life was welded into old bones. It wasn't easy. Every panel required patience. Every detail demanded perfection. But slowly, the Mustang started to take shape again. Stronger, cleaner, better than before. With the repairs complete, it was time to prepare for transformation. A smooth layer of primer covered the entire body. For the first time, the car looked whole again. No rust, no damage, just a clean canvas. This stage might look simple, but it's one of the most important steps, because what comes next defines everything. Then came the moment that changes everything. Paint, a deep glossy, midnight black. As each layer was applied, the Mustang transformed into something breathtaking. Reflections danced across its surface. Every curve now looked sharper, more aggressive. This wasn't just paint. This was identity. And now, the Mustang finally looked alive again. But a car isn't just about looks. It needs a heart. The V8 engine was rebuilt from scratch. Every component cleaned, polished, perfected. This wasn't just about making it run. It was about making it powerful, reliable, strong, unstoppable. Because when this Mustang hits the road again, it won't just drive. It will roar. Inside, the transformation continued. New leather seats replaced the worn-out originals. The dashboard was restored to its classic glory. Every detail carefully crafted. It still felt vintage, but with a touch of modern comfort. Because the goal wasn't to erase history. It was to honor it. And then, after weeks of work, countless hours and relentless effort, the moment finally arrived. The Mustang rolled out, shining under the open sky. From rust to perfection, from forgotten to unforgettable. This wasn't just a restoration. It was a resurrection. And now, this 1967 Mustang Fastback was ready to take the road once again.
This 1967 Mustang Fastback, fully restored to its former glory, truly shines out